Kajing Pentri kami ke Jal Jeevan Mission kapla sedang hapo ke Jala Meghalaya kala sya penthut no ada ke jingling shop jang klam COVID-19. Ban minta ke jingang nut baro ki phai khamat ke Sorkar Jylla la kala ne em ban Pyndep ikani ke projek haswa jang ke por berlabu kata haswa jang benai no pra jang ke snem arhajar arpuar. Wemele ke sen Kongres ba hima sang pliang ulapan pau balada ke Sorkar kamla ban Pentri kam kloy ban Pyndep ikani ke projek kala ban wanra ke jing e halor kumno ban pelong ikani ke projek ka bejob. Kibabon ki kam ki bede ba kajing Pentri kam ikani ke projek kidang sa tenglut hamtam e halor kajing yo iki pipe
The government of Meghalaya has initiated the projects, and the projects were going on very well till the time that the pandemic came in and there was a continuous lockdown. I'm afraid the deadline kept by the government of December 2022 may not be able to achieve in the sense that the supply of pipes are not on time. The department, the PHE department has not been able to finalize even the pipe suppliers, and therefore whichever works that have been assigned to the village sanitation committee and also to the contractors which have been tendered out, they may have completed the civil works, but the problem is they have not been able to be provided with the pipes. Now, in the absence of pipes, hardware stores are also closed by and large. Now there is a big problem for the contractors, for the village water sanitation committees to complete their respective projects. I would urge upon the government to look into this area on a priority basis so that whatever deadline has been set for any work has to be completed on time. Otherwise, there will be cost overrun. If there is a cost overrun, then again tomorrow the contractor will claim additional cost. There will be a lot of extra additional expenditures, and therefore I feel that the PHE department should review once again on the implementation process of the whole Jal Jeevan Mission.